While we have parent observations in our school, TOS is committed for maintaining quality and continuously improving the same. The most important part of the quality for students and parents both is the teaching learning process which takes place in the classroom.
With the objective of monitoring the quality and improving on it, regular classroom observations are conducted by the leaders and specific feedback is given to the respective teacher. This feedback is then utilized for continuous improvement.
TOS believes that the most important feedback is given by the primary stakeholders, that is students as well as the one taken from parents who look forward for quality teaching for their wards. And since being a part of a 360-degree feedback, as every year we invite the CPVs, that are the class parent volunteers, and PTA members of the respective level in which their child is studying.
They observe the teaching, learning process in the classroom and expected to give constructive and specific feedback on areas of improvement while appreciating the strong points observed during the sessions.
The observation generally begins in the month of December, and a guideline sheet is given for observation to the parents, and teachers inform them well in advance as per their convenience and all. And it's basically to create an empathy for the teachers so that they get the real life scenario of what happens actually in the classroom and how the students behave and how the teachers they do it. And generally this feedback is in the form of narrative form. So a form is given, few questionnaires are there, and then they give the feedback. There is no scoring happening, no numbering given and all, but it's just a narrative feedback in the subjective form to just, the intent is just to improve on the teaching learning process.